Hi there, I'm Carla Ann, the car lady here at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and I would like to go through the Infotainment Center with you just briefly today. And there's going to be a few other videos following that will explain a few things in more detail. So let's get started. On your dash, you will see this display. So the display, when you hit this home button over here, right here, when you hit the home button, this is what you'll see. It'll always take you here to the communication button. We're going to turn it all the way to the right to settings, and this is the button we're going to click. So here, when it's talking about the display, it's actually talking about this unit. This unit is firm here. It doesn't move up or down. It stays here underneath the line of the dash. So for visual clearance, it's never ever in your way. All right. So now if you do, for whatever reason, want to turn that off, on where it's displayed there, turn display off, you just click. And now the display is turned off. If you want to turn it back on, you just click the button again, and then you do the same thing here if you want to just click and see the clock. Click it again and the screen comes on. All right, now here the system is set at auto. That means when your headlights come on, let me do that again. When your headlights come on, let me just turn this over here. No, I'm trying to turn it down. There we go. There. So you'll notice that it is quite dim. This is what it does at night on auto when you have your auto headlights on, or when you have your regular headlights on. When it's on day, it's going to be like this. So in the day when your headlights are off, when the sun is shining, this is how bright it's going to be. Now you can adjust this brightness. I'm just going to turn this back to auto. There we go. You can adjust the brightness. If for some reason you like it brighter, you can turn it up or you can turn it down. So you can completely customize how this is used here. And then of course you can adjust the contrast. So I'll just make it a little bit brighter here. You can sort of see how things are getting, the orange road maps are getting a little bit brighter. Now let's turn it all the way down. You can see it's a little bit more gray. So that's, again, entirely up to you how you like that. Feel free to adjust this to your own specifications and customization. Now, on this button here, I'm going to push this whole button to the right. And what that does is it moves the tab at the top. Let me just move it over here. There we go. So now we're in safety. We're back at the top tabs where it says safety. And this is where you would adjust your smart city brake support and your blind spot monitoring system. So we'll click. If you click on the line that is lit up, it will take you to the customization spots, all right? And this is also where you would turn on and off your blind spot monitoring. So if you want to turn it off, this is where you would go. If you push the button again, you get to sound. This is where you would adjust all of your sound and your speakers and how your radio and music will play. Tip it again to the right and you get to clock. And this is where you would adjust your clock, and we'll talk about more about how to do that in another video. Clicking it over to vehicle will help you customize will help you customize various things. So the rain sense wipers here is checked. That means that it is activated. If you go down to door locks, if you want to customize, you click on door locks, and this is where you would do that. Again, clicking on any one of the lines that you want to adjust. And then going back, you can click this back button or push it sideways. Then the arrow lights up and you can click it. All right. Then you would turn down to turn signals. If you want to customize that, you would click here. And then of course you would click lighting if you wanted to customize that. And we'll go through those in another video. Devices, you would flip over here. This is how you get to Bluetooth, and in the Bluetooth screen is where you would be adding your devices, custom things, and we'll go over that in another video. And this is where you go to system by flipping it to the right. This is where you would adjust your dashboard and the part that you see in that right hand side. If you click the Fahrenheit or the miles, it'll switch that in this little area there. You can see the range is now in miles, and you can see that the averages are miles per gallon. All right, we are going to flip that back because we are in Canada where we use metric system. And that's it. That's all there is to going through and navigating this settings area of your infotainment center. And you can do all of those same things using touch screen. So you could go to the safety and you could just touch this, and then to go to the back button, you can do that as well. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. Again, you can use the big knob, or you can use touchscreen and just go through that. It's completely flexible. You can customize it how you like, personalize it. If you have any questions about how to use it, please feel free to give me a call. I'm Carla Ann the Car Lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, 204-326-6437. Have a great day.